I think I'll start with what's the purpose of going live and the approach and what we're going to do. So we're going to talk about all things yoga, and it'll be a mix between discussion, chat, and feedback. So questions anybody has of yoga, and to understand the basic framework of the different practices and how they all fit together. A simple example would be, I always use this one as a basic one. How you physically center, how you energetically center, how you mentally center. You could say they're different because one is physical, one is energetic, and one is mental, one is meditation. But elementally, the centering is the same practice. The principles are the same. It's just you're layering them at a more subtle level. So the more you understand centering and how it layers together, you realize you're just doing the one practice, but you're layering it through the subtle levels. So that brings all the different levels of yoga together, all the different ways that centering can layer into yoga. Because literally centering layers into every practice, every aspect of yoga. You can center in the chakras, center in your breath, center in the thought, center in your body, center in a particular part of your body, center in the feeling, literally center in the room, center in the moment. Centering permeates everything. So having that conversation, just check and see if there's any questions. Having that conversation and teasing it out is pretty much what we're going to do. And then in between all that, we'll be doing lots of little practices just to tease it out. And that's the idea. So each day we're on is I'll have a particular topic, and I'll just get going on the topic, and as people fire in questions, we'll tease it out as we do. Yeah. If nobody fires out a question, I'll just waffle on. I'll find lots of things to talk about in a particular topic. Yeah.